everyone, my name is Vega. I'm the moderator of Indonesian Speaking Club, and now we have Indonesian Speaking Club here in library of TSU. Please come to our new club every Thursday, every second of Thursday in every month. So next time it will be 3 weeks from now, and there will be information in the VK. See you there. Dadah. Thank you for coming to our new club called Rumah Bahasa. Rumah means home and Bahasa means Bahasa Indonesia or Indonesian. So it's like Indonesian house, sort of like that. This is our first meeting. My name is Vega. I'm from Indonesia. I live near Jakarta. Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia. I live in city called Depok. Before we start, I want let's introduce our name in Bahasa. This is very easy. So if you want to introduce your name, you say halo, nama saya, and then your name. For example, halo, nama saya Vega, and then saya dari. It means I'm from. Saya dari Indonesia. If you guys don't know the name of the country, you can ask me. I will tell about it. I will tell you. And where do you study and where do you work? For example, saya kuliah di Tomsk State University, or you can say saya bekerja di Tomsk State University. Okay, maybe from my friend. Start from my friend. Can you introduce your name?
Yes, of course. Halo, nama saya Natalia. Saya dari Indonesia. Saya kuliah di Tomsk State University.
Selanjutnya.
Selamat siang.
Siang.
Nama saya Anya. Saya dari Rusia. Saya bekerja. Di TSU.
Oke. Silakan.
Halo, nama saya Elian. Saya dari Rusia. Saya kuliah di Tomsk State University.
Oke. Selanjutnya.
Halo, nama saya Nikita. Saya dari
Rusia.
Saya kuliah di TGU or Tomsk State University.
Oke. Nice. Bagus.
Halo, nama saya Edgar. Saya dari Mexico.
Meksiko.
Saya kuliah di Tomsk State University.
Oke. Silakan.
Halo, nama saya Vasily, saya dari Rusia. Saya bekerja di pabrik.
Oke. Yes.
Halo, nama saya Victoria. Saya dari Rusia. Saya kuliah di Tomsk State University.
Oke.
Teman-teman, nama saya Anna. Saya dosen bahasa Rusia di universitas ini. Saya sudah belajar bahasa Indonesia 5 bulan.
5 bulan. Хорошо. Его зовут Анна. Она здесь работает и уже изучает индонезийский язык 5 месяцев.
What I heard from Indonesians themselves, they say that Bali, of course, it's part of Indonesia, but it's really different world.
Indonesia has a lot of islands. Like it's a country of islands.
A, B, C, D, U, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T.
Okay, guys, so can you introduce yourself first?
Hello everyone, I'm from China. My name is
So, Mikai, you just finished from Indonesian
speaking club. So what do you think about this club and what do you think about Indonesian language?
First of all, I think this language sounds like very warmful. I like this language and very interesting, and it's very attractive for me. In the beginning, I think it will be very difficult, but I see their alphabet similar with English.
So, Minkai, can you give an example to subscriber in Indonesian language?
Yes. Like I'm from China. Saya dari China. My name is Minkai. Nama saya Minkai.
Cool. So Minkai, do you want to go to this event or this club again?
Yes.
Next time, next
Yes,
month?
I will go to the club again next time.
So, last word for subscriber, what do you want to say to subscriber?
I will tell my friends and my classmates let them go to the club. That's very interesting for me.
Oke, terima kasih teman-teman semua. So, say bye in Indonesian language. Maksud dadah.
Dadah.
1, 2, 3.
Dadah.
Dadah.